got a 6170R here we're working on. It's got a broken exhaust stud on the number 6 cylinder at the back of the engine here, and it's causing an exhaust leak. Got an exhaust leak on number 1 as well. So we're going to pull off the EGR cooler, turbo, exhaust manifold, and replace the studs and gaskets.
Oh, that label man said, son, now can you sing a little bit more clear? Said your voice might be too country next to what they've been here. Can you sing a little more about outlaws and the way things used to be? Said you just worry about writing them songs, leave everything else to me. Well, my daddy never wrote any old famous country songs. Papa never stayed out raising hell with the Haggard Jones. But he raised a proud coal miner's daughter, and I'm proud to be her son. She told me, boy, I don't care if you hit it big, because you're already number one. And that's the way it goes in this day and age. Well, you ain't gotta read between the lines, now you just gotta turn the page. Well, the most outlaw thing that a man today can do is give a woman a ring, and that's the way it goes. Life ain't fair and the world is mean. Well, I still got the wife and my dog, but I swapped the truck out for a van. Gonna hit the road, find the end of that long white line with a 3-piece band. You won't hear my song on the radio, see me on the CMA, but you can always find me in a smoky bar with bad sound and a dim lit stage. 'Cause that's the way it goes in this day and age.